Ah, friend, to me there is nothing more healing to let go of the stress than enjoying some time sitting by a lake. It is a time to collect all the anxiety from various parts of my body and visually letting the calm, lapping waves carry it all away. So visualize with me the beautiful water cleansing your soul and taking away the pain. So here's a collection of some of my favorite lakes and favorite quotes on letting go. When one door closes, another opens, but we often look so long and so regretfully upon the closed door that we do not see the one that is open for us. All the art of living lies in the fine mingling of letting go and holding on. Havelock Ellis. Melody Betty said, "Letting go helps us to live in a more peaceful state of mind and helps restore our balance. It allows others to be responsible for themselves and for us to take our hands off situations that do not belong to us. This frees us from unnecessary stress." Inner peace can be reached only when we practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is the letting go of the past and is therefore the means of correcting our misperceptions. Gerald Gampolsky.
Be patient with those around us because everybody's starting their own lives and they have their own challenges that they're going through. So we have to give each other grace.
Good morning, friend. How's your... It's got to be a beautiful morning.
Ron Taffel said, "Even as kids reach adolescence, they need more than ever for us to watch over them." Adolescence is not about letting go, it's about hanging on during a very bumpy ride. What is the greater risk? Letting go of what people think, or letting go of how I feel, what I believe, and who I am? John Orthbird said, "Being deeply contented with God in my everyday life is a focused attitude that is always available. It means practicing letting go of my obsession with how I'm doing. It means training myself to learn to actually be present with people and seeking to love them."
I love these cute little white daisy things. Is that chamomile?
I make mistakes daily, letting generalizations creep into my thoughts and negatively affect my behavior. These mistakes have taught me that the first step to successfully choosing kindness is being more mindful about it, letting go of impatience and intolerance along the way. Daniel Lubetsky. Joel Osteen said, "You can live your life angry, bitter, mad at somebody, or even guilty, not letting go of your mistakes, but you won't receive the good things God has in store." One of the hardest lessons in life is letting go. Whether it's guilt, anger, love, loss, or betrayal, change is never easy. We fight to hold on and we fight to let go. You would never allow a thief to enter your home and live there rent-free. So why do you allow thoughts that steal your joy to enter and live inside your mind? Let it go. So friend, as I end this VR getaway, I hope you've used these quotes to heal and have allowed these lakes to let you let go of those things that are holding you back. Sending love and positive vibes your way. Please subscribe and like. See you again real soon. Bye now.
That feels good. That feels good. Oh boy. Hooey. That'll do it.